Hey there, welcome back to Buy Smart. In today's video, we'll be comparing two mini drones that are perfect for beginners and kids, the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. We'll be comparing them in various categories to help you make an informed decision. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's get started. Let's begin with the price. The Holy Stone Mini Drone is priced at $49, while the DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes in at $69. So, if you're on a budget, the Holy Stone Mini Drone might be the more affordable option for you. Now let's talk about the features. The Holy Stone Mini Drone offers a range of fun features, such as toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It also has an altitude hold function, making it user-friendly for beginners and kids. With 3 batteries included, you'll have a flight time of up to 21 minutes, and the low battery power alarm ensures you're never caught off guard. On the other hand, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone comes with a 720p HD Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture better aerial photos and videos. It also has altitude hold, making it easy to control and take high-quality footage. With powerful batteries and safety features like low-power alarm and propeller guards, you can fly longer and safer. Additionally, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone offers 3D flips and waypoints fly, adding more fun to your flight experience. It even has voice control and gesture selfie capabilities, making it a great option for those who love taking selfies. Now let's discuss portability. Both drones are mini and portable, allowing you to bring them anywhere you go. Whether it's a party, school, fishing trip, hiking, or a long journey, these drones will be your perfect companions. They are compact enough to fit in your backpack and make for great birthday, Christmas, or holiday gifts for kids or friends. Safety is always a priority, especially when it comes to drones. The Holy Stone Mini Drone comes with full protection thanks to its propeller guard. This not only protects the drone from damage, but also ensures the safety of kids by preventing contact with spinning propellers. Similarly, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone features propeller guards as well, along with additional safety features like an emergency stop function. These safety measures give you peace of mind while flying. Overall, the Holy Stone Mini Drone has been praised for its affordability, easy flying features, and suitability for kids and beginners. On the other hand, the DEERC D20 Mini Drone is highly regarded for its feature-packed nature, including a HD camera, voice control, and gesture selfie capabilities. And that wraps up our comparison of the Holy Stone Mini Drone and the DEERC D20 Mini Drone. Both drones have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. We hope this video has helped you in making a smart buying decision. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest comparisons. If you have any suggestions or requests for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next one.